Now if yours, I was just replacing the battery in my iDevice. Good old Crapple. Getting it out, open it is easy. Don't have to take the screen off using this method, just hold it like that carefully. It's just getting the hardest part, is getting those two tabs out the bottom. Grabbing those plastic tabs until about here, it tears off. That's the difficult part, but it wasn't too hard. Just grab it carefully, carefully with the tweezers like that, under the battery carefully, and just do got to manipulate the battery a bit, but that's the best way to do it. There's no other way to do it with it. Yeah, that does least damage to the phone and its surroundings. There's plenty of plastic sponges to get it apart. Initially, I was getting this open. The suction cup just wasn't working. I had to use this with a razor blade, and I do carefully push it under one corner, wedge it up a little bit, and chuck the plastic under it. And then just work my way around the phone till it cracked it all loose, and yeah. That's my phone's okay. I'd rather damage that than the phone, even though it's only Crapple, but easy enough to do. But don't go past 90 degrees when you do that. It's high as you're going to lift it, because you'll damage that connector for your screen and your digitizer. So that's the maximum height you're going to get up to lift that up. No higher than that. So that's all clean. I can put a new battery in. Just because it's never been apart before, and I got this phone waterproofed when it was new. So that left a lot of stickiness around the first time I spent apart. It's going to be the most difficult. Genuine Apple battery. Manufactured 2018. This is back when the phone first came out, 6S, which was back in 2015. Yeah, it was late 2015 I got this phone. Anyway, that's how I put this new battery in. Chuck it in, put the sticky things down, put it in, done. Make sure you leave these tabs hanging out there. It's pretty easy, it's not too hard to do. Just be careful. Same with Android phones. Okay, that's all done. Put back in. Nice big tabs on the aftermarket battery sticky things. Those stock Apple ones are a pain in the ass to get off. Battery cover's back on. You just long screw toward the battery, and the short screw goes on the outside. So we just snap it back together now. Ready to go. It did power up, but the battery only had about 20%. Yeah, it's production date. Probably wouldn't have been, well, you know what Apple's like. You fully charge them and they sit for a while, and they go flat as a bloody tack. It's a problem with Crapple phones. Yeah. Anyone who uses an iPhone would know. You don't use a phone for not even a bloody week, and you just fully charge it, put it away, hoping it's fully charged next time you use it, but within a week the battery's completely dead. That's just typical of Crapple. But I don't know. That should give me another 5 years out of that. The next phone I'll consider getting an Android phone next. I do like the app side of Android. Much free apps, and you get much better apps than Apple's got. Anyway, easy fix. Who knows, I might smoke the old battery, who knows. I'll save the old battery for another later day there. Thanks for watching.